Hapon sa inyong lahat. And first of all, congratulations po kay Sir Vico and Tom Credit. Maraming salamat for having us. Even though we are new in kay Sir Vico, I think we started again during the pandemic time, no? And actually kanina, I asked Sir Gerald, is the 1 minute true? Yes. Ayun tanong ko sa kanya. And he said, yes. Sabi ko lang, wow, amazing. Because 1 minute is really a game changer, as Honda said. No? Nagpapasalamat kami at sinama kami ng kay Sir Vico and Home Credit to be included in this program. Kimco has a complete several lineup of scooters from 125cc up to 575cc that can cater for your own lifestyle. So, meron akong ibang options yung mga customers ninyo to meron silang pagpipilian na magkikater sa kanilang lifestyles. Again, congratulations, Home Credit and Kimco. Sorry, they serve it. Thank you very much.